Stomach 30 is located a little bit below conception vessel 3. To find stomach 30, put your hand just below your belly button, then find the point that's below your hand, and then find the spot that is 1 thumb width below that. Next, find the spot that is the width of 2 thumbs to the side of that, right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 30. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's a side view. Now find and activate stomach 30 on the other side.